All right, so what if my letter comes back verified? If you're working to help others improve their credit, you're getting verified letters back. That basically means that the credit bureau did their investigation, and then after they did their investigation, the creditor said that the information that the credit bureau sent over to the creditor is verified. So the first thing you want to do if you get a verified account, you want to draft a second dispute letter. And this time you want to find something new that's inaccurate on the credit report. So something new that's inaccurate, wrong, or misleading or incomplete for that particular account that the credit bureau verified. Now remember, when you're responding back to the credit bureau on the verified, you want to find something different in the account that's inaccurate, misleading, or incomplete. And then you draft a new letter and you send that letter in response to the verified